Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Wilson and this is WDR Collection, which is a plant channel right now. So yeah, in this video I will be sharing with you a new philodendron that I picked up, and I will also be sharing with you this cute lamp over here. This is Mayo. Say hi, everyone. Like this beautiful lamp here. I will also be showing you how to make this mid-century modern aesthetic grow light lamp. Gorgeousness. By the way, there are chapters in this video, so you can skip ahead to whatever part you want to watch as well. I want to share with you guys this new philodendron I picked up at the plant sitter. And this is the girly. It is the Philodendron Bicolor. If you would focus. This plant sports this strappy leaf, more on the blue tone or like silver hue to the leaf when it matures or hardens off. But the new leaf is like a bronzy color, kind of like a mustard green, or is that even a thing? Sage green of some sort. But the backside is red. I believe that's where it gets its name from. I love long leaf, strappy leaf, blue tones, plants, and this is one of them. And the petiole is a bit chunky. It's like fat at the base, and it gets narrow here, which you can see. Is it focusing? It gets narrow right there. And look at this chunk right here. You see that? It's like really fat at the base and it gets narrow. Not much of an upgrade. I could see that the roots are sticking out of this pot already. So I just want to, set it up for some success. And plus using the chunky mix, which is always great. It's been working wonders for me. I can say that I am obsessed with philodendrons because the majority of my plants are philodendron types, and so I think I do have a thing for philodendrons, especially the strappy leaf philodendrons. The Billie has a special place in my heart because of the leaf structure, the leaf color, and that jazz. So yeah, it's this one right here. I'll show you. Okay, the Philodendron Billeti. The strappiness of the leaf. This is one of the more mature plant I have. Here's the root canal. This is another Billie. To die for. This is my favorite. And so, on that note, I remember like 4 years ago when this plant was more popular, it was going for like in the hundreds, and now the price has dropped, and I believe it's been tissue cultured. That's why it's a bit cheaper. Back at it again with the wobbly desk, but let me get my repotting mat ready. So this mat here is a DIY. repotting mat. If you want to learn how to make this simple mat at home, you should watch the video on how to do that because I have that on my channel as well. Yeah. Excuse me. In this bin here, I've got my chunky mix, the best mix. Is it giving? Is this setup giving like, you know, YouTube 2014? Today I'm going to show you how to repot a plant. Okay, let me just first squeeze the pot. Look at the redness. Gorgeous. The red leaf is like sticking out like a sore thumb, but in a good way, you know? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Sometimes I just want to rewind. When I turn back time. If you know, you know. But let's restart it. Chunky mix. Okay. More. Okay, that looks good. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let me backfill it now. Shake the pot. Vibrate it. Some more. Alright, let me take off this tag so I could keep it on this one. Ta-da! Tough. Gorgeousness. I was at Dollar Tree looking for some wrapping paper and I settled for these. One plaid and one mistletoe design. This year I'm going for something more, a bit more, you know, simple and minimal. So I got those. While I was at the Dollar Tree, I stumbled across these bowls here. This was in the Halloween aisle. I immediately thought of lampshade when I seen these bowls. And I picked up a plate in this color as well, this translucent orange color. And then I got a regular bowl with no design. And then two of these fluted bowls. I was in the store putting together, I was basically doing Jenga with these bowls. And I was thinking of creating a lampshade, something like this. I've seen something similar to this on the market, and I was like, you know, I could make this low key. So I picked it up. It's giving mid-century modern design, and yeah, they had other colors as well. They had pink, blue, they had clear, but orange is just, you know, a pop of color. As you can tell, I'm wearing orange today, and the orange lamp behind me. Anyways, yeah, let's put it together. And then I got this soldering iron here. My friend gave it to me. She picked this up at Target in the craft section. All right, and you're also going to need a grow light, of course, for your plants. And then you're also going to need a plug-in pendant light socket. I don't know what you call it, but you could find this at a thrift store. That's where I picked this up. But looking for it at a thrift store is not a definite. But you could also find this at IKEA. It's a socket with a plug-in and a on and off switch right here. So yeah, these are the items you're gonna need to make the lampshade. Did I mention that these are plastic? So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna peel off this sticker here if it wants to come off, you know. And because it's plastic, it's pretty lightweight and it won't break or be too heavy to hang on the ceiling. So this is perfect. I also forgot to mention that you're going to need some sort of adhesive. I'm going to use some E6000 glue. You can also use hot glue or, you know, any type of adhesive. I have this one on hand, so I'll be using this. All right, I'm going to start by tracing out the socket here so it could fit in there. I'm just going to use a Sharpie and roughly trace out the circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just going to do that to the other bowls and plate. Does not have to be perfect. Okay, that looks good. Get the cap here. I could already tell that this is gonna look amazing. Wood burning tool, basically a soldering iron thing. I'm struggling over here. On and off switch right here. I'm gonna plug it in and warm it up. Okay, I have it plugged in. You want to do this outside because the burning plastic fumes, you know, it's not really good to be breathing in. I have this thing here. I'm going to use it to place it on. And let's get started. Okay, let's see if it melts through. It should melt through like butter. It's going, it's working. This is so satisfying. Okay, I think using the tip is better. The tip of this here is better. Oh, got the holes in. A fit test to see if it fits. You want to make sure that the hole is wide enough for the light socket to fit in there. And it doesn't have to be too loose of a hole. Here, there's a bigger bowl to be able to like go in. And I'm gonna use some E6000 glue to place it in there. Yeah. Okay. And then place the smaller bowl in there. Hopefully that. Ta-da! Look at that. So stinking cute. And this is one way to upgrade your